The National Weather Service in Grand Forks has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Red Lake County in northwestern Minnesota, east central Polk County in northwestern Minnesota, southeastern Pennington County in northwestern Minnesota, northern Clearwater County in northwestern Minnesota until 12:15 a.m. At 11:16 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Plummer, or 18 miles south of Thief River Falls, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Clearbrook, Oakley, Plummer, Gonwick, Brooks, Gully, and Trail. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.